Have seen how to count the frequency of a substring in a given string, and today we will see using the same logic how to find the frequency of a sub array given in a given array. So I would like to explain you the question, which is the second one on the screen. So this is the original array, and if you see that the sub array is this one. So if you try to find out the frequency of a substring in a given integer array, so this the frequency of a sub array in a given integer array. So here it occurs first time, here it occurs second time, and here it occurs third time. And here the frequency will be 3. So the same logic we are going to implement, which we implemented in the previous video. So what we need is actually here count f. So if we consider that a string part, which is this one, so uh, in short I would like to rewrite the code which we had written in the previous video. So for that we need this variable f, and we need a counter c. So children, here the code was just to start a loop, and it will go like this, if you remember. And here each and every character of the original was matched with the first alphabet of the substring, and then this status variable was involved, and then a loop was started that was going from 1 till it is sub dot length. And here after that we need to match this I plus j with sub dot caret of j, and here f becomes 1, and this break will happen. And if everything goes right, here f will remain 0, and then counter was involved, and it means once that substring is found. And after that, when this function body got over, we need to return the value of c. So this was the code which we wrote in the previous class. So here the same we are going to just call it one more time. Here if it is a substring, and here sub. So first of all enter the main string, and that is str is new scanner system.in dot next line, and then enter the substring, and that was sub new scanner system.in dot next line. This was the main and substring. So I need to invoke this function, and that function is frequency obj new frequency. And after that here there was a counter which was this int c is because we need to just call this function, and that is count f, and passing str comma sub. So if C is 0, if C is 0, then substring not found. Else the frequency of the substring is C. So children, let us execute this code once again. So that is now here enter the main string. Suppose it is India, Indian, and Indians, and here if it is Indian, so you can see that the frequency of this substring Indian is twice. So here Indian comes first time, and here Indian is the part of Indians also. So twice it occurs within the main string. So it was about the substring in a given string. But the today's question is how to find the frequency of a sub array in a given original array. And the same logic we are going to use. So some changes we need to do. So first of all, here we need to make uh, this is the original array we are defining, and I'm just changing the parameters. So here it is a sub array, this one. So here this will become original, and we need to remove these brackets, and here also we need to remove these brackets. So in order to just here original of I matches with sub of 0. So this is what we need to write. And then in loop we need to start from 1 to up to sub dot length. And here again the same we need to remove, which is j, and here it becomes square bracket, and this caret will be removed, and here original will come like this. Children, rest of the things we need not to change. I have only changed the syntax because the syntax of arrays and string is quite different. So I need to change only the syntax. The rest of the logic will not change. The code will not change. And here again there is some change. So I need to rewrite this code up to here, and here I need to pass original. I will be making one array with the same name original, which I have taken in the function body. So here this is the array I have taken, and this is the sub array. Here the size. So these three variables are needed. So first of all, I need to enter the size. So which is enter size, and which is size is new scanner system dot in dot next int, and after that I need to initialize this. So original new, that is int size, and after that just receive enter size of the sub array. So for this I am taking another variable which is size 1, and here dot next int. Enter size of the original array, and here, which is size 1, is new scanner system.in next int. So here we got the size of the sub array also, and sub is new uh, int size 1. So this what we have done. Children, before this we need to receive the elements. So fill original array, and that is for int I will be 0 till it is less than size and I plus plus. And here original of I will receive new scanner system.in.next of int. So the original array is filled, and in a similar way we need to fill the sub array also. So enter sub array, and that is the loop will go from 0 to size 1, and that is sub of I will new scanner system.in.next int. Now after that what we need to do, children, sorry, here what I have done, these two, this statement will come here actually, and enter sub array, sub array elements. Wait, here we got the size of the original, we filled the original, we got the size of this, uh, here it will be int size 1, and this statement will not be here. And after that we filled that sub array also, and after that we are calling this function. Okay, fine. So let us execute this part. Okay, there is an issue, variable obj. Okay, so variable obj, so we need to count the frequency, so that I have removed. Okay, so frequency obj, new frequency, this function I have called. Just remove this. Suppose the size of the first array is 10 and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and the size of the subarray is 3 and the elements are 1, 2, 3. The frequency of the subarray is 3. So here one more thing I would like to show you, that I would like to print the original and the subarray. Original array is, and that is arrays dot toString that a, and here sub array is, and that is arrays dot toString this sub. Here I need to write original. Yes, so original. So let us execute this. Suppose the size of this array is 10 and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This is what the original array, and size of the sub array is 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you see that here This is the original array, so first time and this is the sub array, so first time sub array occurs here, and then second time it occurs here, and the third time it occurs. That's why the frequency is 3. Okay, let us execute this one more time. Suppose the size of the sub array is 7, and here 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3, and the size of the sub array is 3, and here it is 1 2 3, and this time you can see the frequency of that sub array is 2. So first time it occurs here and second time it occurs here. Children, you have seen that using the same logic. So here, and if two logics are same, then that code is known as generic code, and these generic codes are quite useful. So I hope you have got this concept, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.